As part of this leaking shower job that I've taken on, one of the tasks is to remove all the old silicone or caulking from around this tiled shower. Let's get into it. To remove the old silicone from around the shower, we need to start with a sharp knife. You can use a sharp chisel or a scraper. You can use a hairdryer to warm up the silicone. This helps it to come off in larger pieces because warm silicone is rubbery. 30 to 40 seconds on each section is enough. Press against one surface and then on the other as you run the tool along, getting the majority of the silicone off. Being careful not to scratch the surface as you run the knife or scraper along. The surfaces of these tiles is fine, but on plastic or acrylic, maybe use a plastic scraper. You can pick them up for a couple of dollars at the hardware store. This is going to take a bit of your time, but it's not a difficult job. With most of the caulking or silicone removed, glove up and use a rubbing alcohol or methylated spirits on a rag. Rubbing it along the joints, you should see that more little bits of silicone come off, and that's good. Just note, when you are using these chemicals, have a window or a door open or put the vent on, especially if you're in an enclosed space. If the surfaces that you're working on allow, I'd probably spend more time scraping as much of the silicone or caulking off as I could using the knife or the chisel. Using the rag and some rubbing alcohol or methylated spirits, it's quite a labour intensive job. If you want to be super fussy, give the areas that are going to be resealed a clean with some soapy water and then let it dry. You can speed up this process with a hairdryer or a heat lamp, or just put your resealing job off till tomorrow. Join me on Inspired DIY and get inspired to get things fixed around your place. We'll see you on the next video.